Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 24 to 30, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Virgo, let's see. Ano yung ganap? This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, career, finances, at love life and family. Bottom of the deck is the Lovers. So, yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, you are in love. If you are in a relationship, mas nagiging strong yung bond ninyo ng person mo. Meron kayong kailangan pag-usapan. So, parang yung iba sa inyo, nagkaroon kayo ng challenge. Maaring may naging pagsubok kayo, no, na pwedeng mga nasabi na hindi katanggap-tanggap doon sa other person, sa person nyo. Or, yung iba parang nasangkot sa isang chismis. Ayan. So, importante na pinag-uusapan nyo yan ng iyong person. Kasi minsan, yung iba na niniwala agad sa chismis. Page of Wands, Queen of Swords. I think, meron kang iniiwasan or iiwasan na tao na hindi siya ganun ka trustworthy. Yung parang na-realize mo na tong taong to is hindi mapagkakatiwalaan or parang medyo inconsistent yung kanyang mga sinasabi, no? So, overall energy, you have the Wheel of Fortune. May shift or pagbabago. This is going to a new direction. The wheel is turning in your favor. So, parang yung iba sa inyo, you might be taking some risk. No, some risks. Yung parang maglalakas loob ka na sumubok, no, ng mga bagay na hindi ka pamilyar pero interesado ka. Can be a new job, new career, or even new relationship. Your challenge is the Three of Wands. Yung iba, pwedeng ang gusto nyo subukan is pag-abroad, or paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng bahay. But at the same time, medyo kinakabahan ka as to kung ano yung magiging resulta nun for you. But ang nakikita ko rito is maaring yan yung simula ng paglago or pag-unlad or growth sa buhay mo. Kasi kailangan rin naman nating mag-try ng bago, no? Kasi we'll never know na ito palang bagong opportunity na to ay magbibigay sa atin ng financial security, abundance, or fulfillment. And then your opportunity, the Two of Pentacles, this is about being busy. So, maaaring meron kang mga pagsasabay-sabayin na activities ngayong week na to. Especially that you want to prove something sa sarili mo na kaya mong mag-multitask, kaya mong mas maging productive. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, habang nagtatrabaho, meron kayong side hustle, or habang nagtatrabaho, nag-aaral kayo, or habang nagtatrabaho, nagnenegosyo kayo. Your blessing is the Queen of Cups. So, I think you're going to be very productive because Queen of Cups is about fertility, no? So, marami kang ma-achieve, marami kang kayang gawin through your creative talents and your creative skills. Sa money, you have the Eight of Cups. So, I think ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong change. Money, career, finances, pwede meron kang iiwanan na situation because you feel like there is something better para sa'yo. Elsewhere, sa ibang lugar, or ibang career path na tatahakin mo. Like, for example, nasa traditional na traditional na company, na employee ka. And naisip mo na you're just feeling stuck, no? Parang walang growth. And then naisip mo na, mag-try ng ibang field. Maaring gusto mo mag-try sa sales, sa marketing, sa online selling, things like that. So maraming pwedeng i-pursue for you in your career or finances. And then your love life, you have the 7 of Wands. I think mas magiging protective ka sa mga taong mahal mo. Maaaring iiwas ka sa gulo, iiwas ka sa chismis. Diba nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na parang merong chismis na may mga taong parang pwedeng nakikialam sa relationship mo, kaya pwedeng nagkikreate sila ng gulo. Para lang ma-distract ka. Diba? May betrayal, warning, take control of this situation. Kasi maaring merong toxic na tao sa buhay mo. Yung parang gusto kang idamay sa katoksika ng buhay niya. Kasi maaring this person is kind of naiinggit sa'yo, no? Kasi you are gaining a lot of attention, you have this recognition. Kumbaga nasa iyo yung platform, people are celebrating you. Wow, may wish granted ka, oh. Blessings are coming in. Virgo. So, maaring meron kang mina-manifest na magkakatotoo na, darating na, finally. Solar flares, o meron kang i-activate na abilities, talents, skills, or yung parang i-activate mo yung pagiging masipag mo or pagiging creative mo. Debilitated. Some of you, maaring you are in a situation na parang hindi kayo komportable, no, sa sitwasyon nyo, kaya ikaw na mismo ang gagawa ng pagbabago, no, naaalis dyan sa discomfort mo na yan. You're going to find ways kung paano makawala sa ganyang limitasyon. Soul tribe, it is safe to be seen. So maaring iba sa inyo, you will connect sa yung sa mga tao na yung parang alam mo na ka-vibes mo. Oo. Kumbaga, yung pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo, ma-attract mo yung mga taong kapareho mo rin ng interes, kapareho mo rin ng ugali, parang soul family. Ancestral healing. Your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are healing from your past relationships, past mistakes, and yung ancestors mo ang tumutulong sa'yo to make that happen. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.